onto our tomato base. Let's sweat off a little garlic and onion, because that's very, very important. Let's get a little tomato sauce in. Dump that all in. Little Worcester, couple splashes. Don't have to measure anything out. Now the hot sauce. Go heavy or light. I like it really spicy, so I'm just gonna put a little extra in there, but you can back off if you'd like. Now a little liquid smoke, couple drops. We smoked on the grill, now we're smoking in this little bottle here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Little dry mustard. Really essential to any good barbecuing. Let's do a little mix here. And a little brown sugar, because everybody loves brown sugar. My secret ingredient here, some applesauce. Now, apples and pork are a really good marriage. So be liberal on this. We want that flavor to come right out. There we go. More acidity, the lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, very, very important. Let's get a few more in there. For just a bit more tartness, some cider vinegar. Just drop that in. Just needs a little bit of salt and pepper. There we go. Wow. Wow. When that reduces, that's going to taste really hot. And you can taste the tomatoes. Really, really good.